So I randomly just decided to be spoiling myself lately. I don't know why, but I'm just like, I'm gonna come in 2023 with the bang. Like, I want some AirPods. I worked hard. So, yeah. So today, we're gonna be unboxing some AirPods today. Okay, so these are the Apple AirPods Pro True Wireless Bluetooth headphones with MagSafe charging. So let's get into the unboxing. So this is the front, the side, the back, and this. Let me know in the comments which AirPods do you guys prefer. I know there's lots of generations out there, but I couldn't tell like which one I wanted to get. They all have pros and cons. That's what it looked like. But get to the unboxing. Favorite part. So satisfying. All right. Okay. So here we got the user manuals, instructions, no sticker. You know, I always look for the Apple sticker, but that's okay. So that's all that came in here. Then we got the AirPods itself. We'll get into that in a minute. There's like a little tab telling me to pull up. Oh, cool. So it came with, well, here's what was in there. Then it came with, I thought it was going to be a MagSafe charger for some reason, but it's just another iPhone cord charger, typical. And then it came with, it kind of reminds me of like what the Apple Watches come in, but it says to pull up. Let me show you guys. Oh, cool. And then it came with like the different sizes for your ears. Because I know some people have been complaining, you know, like the AirPods like fall out your ear. So this is very, very convenient. Now let's open up the AirPods. It's really nice. Oh, and it comes really charged. So let's take one out so you guys can get a view. I will be doing a review to see how I like them because I have small ears and sometimes I feel like they fall out. So I will be giving you guys a review later on in the video. This is my video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! Love is no one in a million. It goes on